I welcome you all to social science class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the last test question paper. Let us start, children. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Seashore temple is at dash. A. Mahabalipuram, B. Trichy, C. Madurai. Answer is Mahabalipuram. 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 Number 2. Fort St. George is at dash. A. Kanchipuram, B. Chennai, C. Trichy. Answer is Chennai. 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 Number 3. There are dash styles of architectures at Mahabalipuram. A. 6, B. 3, C. 4. Answer is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Number 4. Thiruvalluvar wrote dash. A. Tirukkural, B. Nanneri, C. Aathichoodi. Answer is Tirukkural. Thirukkural. Tirukkural. Number 5. Nandi in Tanjavur Periya Kovil was built with dash. A. Multiple stones, B. 2 stones, C. Single stone. Answer is single stone. S-I-N-G-L-E. Single stone. S-T-O-N-E. Stone. Single stone. Number 6. Corbett National Park is at dash. A. Uttarakhand, B. Bengaluru, C. Chennai. Answer is Uttarakhand. U-T-T-A-R-A-K-H-A-N-D. Uttarakhand. Number 7. The national park in West Bengal is dash. A. Sundarbans National Park, B. Gir National Park, C. Anna National Park. Answer is Sundarbans National Park. S-U-N-D-E-R-B-A-N-S. Sundarbans. National. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Sundarbans National Park. Number 8. Dash sanctuary is at Vedantangal. A. Lions, B. Birds, C. Tigers. Answer is birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. Number 9. There are dash biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu. A. 3, B. 5, C. 4. Answer is 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Number 10. Gir National Park is in dash. A. Gujarat, B. Assam, C. Hyderabad. Answer is Gujarat. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. Gujarat. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is the oldest park in Uttarakhand. Corbett National Park. C-O-R-B-E-T-T. Corbett National. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Corbett National Park. Number 2. The majestic dash are protected in Corbett National Park. Bengal tigers. B-E-N-G-A-L. Bengal tigers. T-I-G-E-R-S. Tigers. Answer is Bengal tigers. Number 3. Dash flower blossoms once in 12 years. Answer is Kurunji. Kurinchi. Kurunji. Number 4. Dash is the oldest water bird sanctuary in India. Answer is Vedantangal. 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 Number 5. Kaziranga National Park is the home of Dash rhinoceros. Answer is one-horned. O-N-E. One-horned. H-O-R-N-E-D. Horned. One-horned. Number 6. Gir National Park in Gujarat has dash lions. Answer is Asiatic. A-S-I-A-T-I-C. Asiatic. Number 7. Senji Fort is one of the oldest fort in dash. Answer is Tamil Nadu. T-A-M-I-L. Tamil Nadu. N-A-D-U. Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Number 8. Tanjavur Periya Kovil was built by dash. Rajaraja Cholan. R-A-J-A. Raja. R-A-J-A. Raja Cholan. C-H-O-L-A-N. Cholan. Rajaraja Cholan. Number 9. The dash of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. Answer is Secretariat. S-E-C-R-E-T-A-R-I-A-T. Secretariat. Number 10. Dash is the first English fort in India. Answer is Fort St. George. F-O-R-T. Fort Saint. S-T. St. George. G-E-O-R-G-E. George. Fort St. George. Match the following. Number 1. Vivekananda Rock. 2. Museum. 3. Periya Kovil. 4. Tiger. 5. Lion. Right hand side. St. George Fort. Cholas. Kanyakumari. Gujarat. West Bengal. Vivekananda Rock. Answer is Kanyakumari. Match with Kanyakumari. Number 2. Museum. Answer is St. George Fort. Number 3. Periya Kovil. Answer is Cholas. Number 4. Tiger. Answer is West Bengal. Number 5. Lion. Answer is Gujarat. Right, true or false. Number 1. Kambar statue is situated in Kanyakumari. This statement is false. So answer is false. Number 2. St. George Fort has a park and zoo. Answer is false. Number 3. Tirukural has 143 Adhigarams or chapters. Answer is false. Number 4. Senji Fort is the first English fort in India. Answer is false. Number 5. Avvaiyar wrote Tirukural. Answer is false. Number 6. Kurinji flower blossoms once in 12 years. Answer is true. Number 7. The number of tigers have been increased in India. Answer is true. Number 8. Peacocks can be found in Trichy. Answer is true. Number 9. National parks are the places where Wild animals are protected. Answer is true. Number 10. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th July. Answer is true. Unscramble the given letters to make a correct word. Number 1. S-U-M-E-U-M. Correct word is museum. M-U-S-E-U-M. Museum. Number 2. I-H-D-N-A-N. Correct word is Nandi. N-A-N-D-H-I. Nandi. Number 3. E-R-O-H-S-A-E-S. Correct word is seashore. S-E-A-S-H-O-R-E. Seashore. Number 4. L-A-R-U-K-U-R-I-H-T. Correct word is Tirukkural. T-H-I-R-U-K-U-R-A-L. Tirukkural. Number 5. H-C-R-U-H-C. Correct word is church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. Number 6. Y-R-A-U-T-C-N-A-S. Correct word is sanctuary. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-Y. Sanctuary. Number 7. L-U-F-I-T-U-A-E-B. Correct word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Number 8. I-R-I-G-L-I-N. Correct word is Nilgiri. N-I-L-G-I-R-I. Nilgiri. Number 9. R-E-G-I-T. Correct word is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Number 10. N-O-I-L. Correct word is lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Who am I? Number 1. I am also known as Brihadeshwara Temple. Who am I? Answer is Tanjavur Periya Kovil. T-H-A-N-J-A-V-U-R. Tanjavur Periya. P-E-R-I-Y-A. Periya Kovil. K-O-V-I-L. Kovil. Tanjavur Periya Kovil. Number 2. I keep all the historical places safe. Who am I? Answer is government. G-O-V-E-R-N-M-E-N-T. Government. Number 3. My statue looks majestic. Who am I? Answer is Thiruvalluvar. T-H-I-R-U-V-A-L-L-U-V-A-R. Thiruvalluvar. Number 4. I am the home of one-horned rhinoceros. Who am I? Answer is Kaziranga National Park. K-A-Z-I-R-A-N-G-A. Kaziranga National. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Kaziranga National Park. Number 5. I am the place where animals, birds and plants are protected. Who am I? Answer is Biosphere Reserves. B-I-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Biosphere Reserves. R-E-S-E-R-V-E-S. Reserves. Biosphere Reserves. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What are inside the Fort St. George? Answer. A museum, a church and the Secretariat of Tamil Nadu are inside the Fort St. George. Number 2. Name the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue? Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal are the three water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Number 3. Describe the Senji Fort. Senji Fort is one of the oldest forts in Tamil Nadu. It is situated in Villupuram district. Number 4. What is sanctuary? Answer is sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. Number 5. What are the animals protected in Corbett National Park? Answer is the majestic Bengal tigers are protected in the Corbett National Park. Number 6. Name the animals in Nilgiris biosphere. Black panther, leopard and Nilgiri tar. Number 7. How should we treat animals? We must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them. It is our duty to protect them. Thank you, children.